Siddhanta Saraswati Vijayate Gauriya Goshtipati Bande Guru Pada Dandam Bhakta Binda Samanitam Sri Chaitanya Prabhum Bande Nityananda Sahoditam Sri Nandanandanang Vande Radhika Charanodayam Gopijano Samayuktam Bindavanam Manoharam Vanchakalpataruvasya Kripa Sindhu Bevacha Patitanang Pavunebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha Mukhaṁ Karoti Vācālaṁ Bhangung Langhayati Girim Yat Kripatamahang Vande Paramananda Madhavam Vrindavan Tulsidev Vai Piya Vai Kesavasya Shna Bhakti Pade Devi Sattvatvai Namo Namaha Narayana Namaskritta Naram Chaiva Narottamam Deving Saraswati Vyasam Tato Jayo Mudire Sankirtane Krishna Kathopadeshe Gauriya Pattasya Prakasane Sadhanurakta Guru Bhakti Yukta Bhakti Pramodaksha Jagod Varuna Deyam Sada Paribhavagnam Avishtaduham Tethas Padam Siva Virinchanutam Saranyam Vetatiham Panotapal Bhavadiputam Bande Mahapurusate Charunarvindam Yat Pada Pallavanaka Chandamani Chataya Vispurjita Kimapi Gavadu Swadars Purnanuragara Sasagara Saramurti Saradhikamai Kada Kipam Karus Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Sivasadi Gaura Bhakta Binda Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Sivasadi Gaura Bhakta Binda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Ajanulambita bhujau kanaka bodhato Sankirtanai kapitaro kamala yataksho Vishambaro Vijavaro Jugodharma Palo Bande Jagat Priyakaro Karuna Bhataro Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Namami Gange Tava Padu Pankajam Surasuroirvandito Dibbarupam Bhuktin cha tada sinitam Bhavanurupena sada naranam Ganga taranga ramaniya jata kalapam Gauri nirantara vibhushi topam bhagam Narayano Priyamanango Madhapaharam Varanasi Purapati Bhajavi Sanatam Vagisha Jusha Vadane Lakshmir Jasacha Vaksasi Jasyaste Hidaya Sambhit Tvam Nishingamaham Bhaji Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Jatruttama sloka gunanuvadaha prastuyate gramma katha vigataha nishabhyamanam anudinam mumukshoramatim satim yachati vasudeva. Yatruttama sloka gunanuvadaha prastuyate gramma katha vigataha nishabhyamanam anudinam mumukshoramatim satim yachati vasudeva. Gauriya Goshtipati Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur Prabhupada, Paramahansa Jagadguru said that those who are elevated devotees, those who are elevated personalities, they become the target of those foolish material people. They like to attack them. They are elevated personalities, especially those who are Guru Vaishnava. They become a target of attack. Everybody like to attack him. Because he like to arrange absolute mangal for us. That is the only fault. That's why everybody like to attack them. Gauriya Goshtipati, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur Prabhupada, Paramahansa Jagadguru said that in our society, in this world, those who are elevated personalities, especially those who are Guru Vaishnavas, they become a target of attack. People like to shoot them, kill them. What is their fault? Because it is their fault, they like to arrange absolute mangal for the whole world. That is the reason they become a target of attack. They become a victim of attack. Nityananda Prabhu wanted to deliver Jagat Madhai. Nityananda Prabhu wanted to deliver Jagai Madhai. That's why Jagai Madhai wanted to break his head. That is the reason. They wanted to attack Jagai Madhai. Jagai Madhai wanted to attack Nityananda Prabhu. Prabhupada wanted to arrange absolute mangal for us. That's why he was the target of attack by those antagonists, those demons. They wanted to kill Prabhupada. Srila Ramanujacharya was the target of those demons. They wanted to kill. This way, all Guru Vaishnavas, by the order of Bhagavan, they like to deliver bonded soul. They become an attack. This way, situation day by day taking a turn for the ores and ores. Nothing else. I am not a devotee. I want to become a devotee. I want to deliver people, but also I become an attack, a target of attack of everybody. This is the reason. Haridas Thakur wanted to deliver all bonded souls. He took the risk to deliver that cross. He was also a target of attack this way. So nothing to do. This is quite natural. This is a general phenomena here in this material world. Nothing to do. Where there is absolute Harikatha, Vaikuntha Katha, where there is absolute Katha, Vaikuntha Katha, coming from the transcendental world, that cannot be stopped. There is no power in this whole world. There is no power in this whole world which can stop that Vaikuntha Vani. There is no such power. Srila Prabhupada, the Prabhupada speaking, absolute truth is not such a cheap thing, so that by public agitation, by some plotting, by some sabotage, by some other power, can be stopped or killed. Absolute truth itself is sufficient to protect us, and He is always Supreme Lord. This way, those who are going against Supreme Lord, you can take information, you go and take information scrutiny. Those who are going against absolute truth, their life become finished, distorted. All finished, their life. Some months ago, somebody wanted to insult me because I started writing everything by the order of Guru Varga. They wanted to insult me. I am a liar. Mr. Samdas, he told me. I am laughing. He is insulting me, Mr. Samdas. But you take information about the idiot. You have phone number and go, check up. You see this condition. So anyway, I am taking all poison. Even I don't like that somebody misunderstand me and go to hell. I like to arrange the situation in such a way so that I can do seva at the same time. They cannot go against me. Anyway, it is a divine, it is an arrangement of Mayadevi, not divine, Mayadevi. This way, Prabhupada speaking, if I like to deliver all bondage soul, everybody can suspect, because anyway nobody can get in contact with me. They can contact you as somebody. If they expect we have some, we have some fault, if they like to put some allegation that you are all brahmacharis and sannyasis, those who are staying with me, their character is loose. If somebody falsely can put allegation against me. But they should remember, those who are going to put allegation against our society and me, they can come and stay with me, they cannot stay even 1 hour. So tough I am. So I like to declare, in our society nobody characterless. I am the only man who is characterless. Go and inform. I am the only man who is characterless. Our society, no grihastha, no banprastha, nobody characterless. The man going to speak this way, he can come and stay with me. I will request him. Srila Ramanujacharya, he was the target of attack. Of whom? Of whom? Cholraj. He wanted to attack him. He wanted to kill. Anyway, this way, problem created all over the world. Who can stop this problem? Who can solve this problem? Because we don't like to allow Guru Vaishnavas to speak Harikatha, they are blind, they cannot see the absolute behavior, idealism of Guru Vaishnava. That's why they need money, position. That's why they are bound to attack, to stop Harikatha, Hiranyakasipu, Ravan, Kumbhakarna. They don't like to hear Harikatha. Where there is continuous flow of Bani Seva, continuous non-stop flow of Bani Seva, is there any possibility of any dirty character or behavior? Is there any possibility? Where there is non-stop Bani Seva going on. How there is any possibility of any dirty activity or do something illegal activity, illicit activities? Who is that idiot like to bring some defame? Yatrottama sloka gunanuvadaha prastuyate gramma katha vigataha nishabhyamanam anudinam mokshor matim satim yachati vasudev. where there is a Prakita Harikatha Kirtan writing going on, then Grama Katha, material talkings, material enjoyment cannot get any stability. They can collide and go back. This way, Ramanujacharya was a great Acharya, such a big Acharya, even we cannot, even in dream, we cannot imagine. Such a big Acharya, great Acharya of Sri Sampradaya. Sri Sampradaya flowing up to us from Sri Lakshmi Devi. And yesterday I told from Brahma, Madhya Gauriya, Madhya Sampradaya. And from Lakshmi Devi, Sri Sampradaya coming. There Ursi people object is Lakshmi Narayan, Sri Sampradaya. Okay, nice. Now Ramanujacharya took birth, Kantimoti mother, Kesavacharya father, I don't like to touch. Only some point I like to touch. That I can discuss on Abhirbhav Tithi when coming. He took birth in Paja Khetro. Paja Khetro. Or? Paja Khetro or what? I forget. Anyway, he took birth. Paja Khetro, Madhvacharya ji. He took birth in Bhutapuram, I remember. Bhutapuram, near Kanjivaram. Near Kanjivaram, he took birth there. When the boy took birth, his maternal uncle only, one, Kantimoti, her brother, immediately running and coming to see the boy with abnormal, extraordinary symptoms, decorated. Decorated with extraordinary symptoms. After watching the boy, he saw all the symptoms of Lakshmanji Maharaj. He could see all the symptoms of Lakshmanji Maharaj in the body of that small boy. That's why he was bound to keep the name Lakshman Deshik. His name was Lakshman Deshik. Well, Lakshman Deshik grew up. After that, he was a great Pandit. Because he is not ordinary man. He is the Amsa coming from Lakshmanji Maharaj. He is coming from Lakshman. That's why his name was given Lakshman Deshik. He grew up. After that he took decision to learn Vedanta, everything. But that time there was no Bhakti Vedanta was not there. Mayavad Vedanta was there, very powerful. That's why he was bound to go to Madurai there to take lesson from Jadavacharya. That time he was the number one Vedanti. So he went there. He started reading there. But in course of reading, Ramanujacharya, author, Lakshman Deshik could realize that Vedanta direct sloka is giving right meaning, inner meaning, but the way they are explaining is not good. It's Mayavad. But anyway, he has nothing to do, small boy. In the meantime, one miracle happened. The daughter of king there, she was overpowered by one ghost. Only 7 days left for marriage, but the girl opening clothes and climbing trees this way, all problem. King was mad. King wanted to request Jadavacharya to drive away the ghost from the body of my girl because marriage is there. Jadavacharya tried his best, Jadavacharya tried his best to drive away that ghost, but that ghost was very angry. The ghost was very angry, wanted to fight with Jadavacharya, speaking, you idiot, how you can drive me away? Eh? You have no purity inside you. Previous life, goes up, one special kind of snack. The shape is like crocodile. Tokhok is also. Tokhok, the special snack, which cost crores of rupees. One tokhok. If somebody can steal in foreign country, it crores of rupees. If tokhok flying, the body air coming to body air coming to you can die. So poisonous. It's like tokhok I have seen in the flood time 2000 year. I was in Chaitanya speaking Harikatha. There was whole places were inundated. That time I saw one go shop. It's not like ordinary snack. It's like crocodile having face and going up. So previous life he was go shop, the ghost speaking, and by chance he is licking the plate of one Uchishta of one Vaishnavas, and by chance that's why taking Brahmin bath. This way the ghost speaking, if somebody can give the water wash of the lotus feet of this small boy, Lakshman Desik, then I can go away. This way he was giving the water wash of the lotus feet of Lakshman Desik, the ghost gone away. By that time, it was insulting from Jadavacharya. Insulting for Jadavacharya, na? Because he is Guru. He was feeling insulted. From then onward, he started jealousy. Same thing with me. I have no money, no position, no foreign trip, nothing. Still people expressing jealousy simply because I am speaking about their absolute truth. Somehow they like to do something. Otherwise there is no ground. This way, Jadavacharya developed jealousy inside her and still went on doing what to do. One day, Jadavacharya was lying on the mat and the disciple, Lakshman Desik, wanted to massage the body with oil. Wanted to massage the body with oil, and that time what happens? That time Ramanujarya, Lakshman Desik, hearing the explanation of one topic. The eyes of Bhagavan, it is lotus flower petal, but his Gurudev, not actually Gurudev, he don't think he's Gurudev. Like our Prahlad Maharaj never accepted whom? Sandomarka as Guru. Similarly, anyway, what to do? The small boy messaging and hearing the explanation of the eyes. Tasho yatha kapyasam pundarikamiva akshini. Tasho yatha kapyasam pundarikamiva akshini. The explanation, Jadavacharya speaking, the eyes of Bhagavan, Vishnu, Narayan is like the backside of monkey, which look very red color, na? Monkey is comparing with this. By hearing this, it was heartbreaking. It was heartbreaking Siddhanta. So Lakshman Desik started crying. What to do? then by chance 2 or 3 drops of water falling on the hot water falling. Water, when you are getting pain and you are crying, that tears is hot. But when you are crying out of ananda, that is cold. You know? When you are crying out of ananda, ecstatic, that is cold. So that time, Jadavarja was looking up. Hey, what happens? Why you are coming? Crying. Gurudev, I am crying because you are explaining this sloka this way. It was from Chandogya Upanishad. The sloka is from Chandogya Upanishad. So, we know it very well. Our Shankaracharya wanted to explain all in a very tricky way, so that nobody can get bhakti. Follow. Our Shankaracharya, by the order of Bhagavan, wanted to hide Bhakti Yoga. He never wanted to distribute this Amrita to all those demons. So, by the order of Bhagavan, he took decision to preach Mayavad Bhashya, what to do. This way, if you go through all commentaries written by Shankaracharya, you can find miracle. How possible? All wrong conception. All wrong. It is a sloka from Chandogya Upanishad. The inner meaning of the Chandogya Upanishad is something else. But Shankaracharya wanted to represent something. Tasho yatha kapyasam pundarika miva akshini. Direct meaning, if anybody having no knowledge in Sanskrit, if anybody having no knowledge about Sanskrit, basic knowledge, also he can read the sloka 3, 4, 5 times or 10 times, he can gaze, he can realize, oh, the meaning is like this. But anyway, Shankaracharya wanted to write in this way, the backside of monkey, Apandesh in Sanskrit, is so red, it can be compared with the red eyes of Bhagavan. Is there any devotee who can bear it? So, Lakshman started writing. Lakshman is speaking, Gurudev, by hearing your explanation, my heart breaking. Huh? Why? How we can compare the lotus eyes of Bhagavan with the backside of a monkey? Hey? Our Adi Acharya Shankaracharya done it. You like to go against Shankaracharya? You like to go against Shankaracharya? How dare you? Well, excuse me. Okay, if you know, if you are great Pandit, why not you explain? If you are Pandit, why not you explain? Okay, Gurudev, I think we can explain this way. We can explain this way. Kong Piboti. This is written, Tasu Yatha Kapyasam. That Kapyasan, if you know Sanskrit grammar, then I can speak. Kopi plus asan. If you know basic Sanskrit grammar, then I can split the word. Kopi plus asan. Kopi, that explanation done by Lakshman Desi, Kong Piboti. Kong, Kopi mean Kong Piboti. Kong mean water. Kong Piboti, and sun god. Sun god always taking the water from different lakes by emitting sunlight. By sunlight, Kong, water, Piboti, who? That sun god. Sun god always taking water from different lakes and ocean everywhere. After that, water going up in the form of cloud get accumulated, then we have the chance to get crystal water, right? Rainwater. So Kong Pivoti, Kong is water, Kopi, Opi, who? Kong Pi, Kong, but it is written that Kong mean water and sun god taking. Asan, Asan meaning as dhatu. In Sanskrit, as, a dantasya hasanto. If somebody learning Bengal. As mean expressing. Expressing. So sun god expressing light, brightness, and in the morning time when sun going to rise is very nice looking. First of all, reddish in color are emitting light. Then Ramanujacharya wanted to explain this way, just like the sun god taking water from there and back, and by the sun god going to emit light, and that reddish color can be compared with the eyes of Bhagavan, like lotus flower petal. That can be compared. After hearing this kind of absolute explanation, from the small boy, Jadavacharya was shocked. Jadavacharya was just shocked. He started speaking, well, in this way you can explain, but this is not the direct explanation. Direct explanation, I mean the main explanation given by Shankaracharya. Your explanation is not, cannot be taken as a final. That is the main. But inside he started thinking, if that boy going to grow up, then in future, Mayavad Bhashya can be destroyed. So better to kill. He started planning how to kill. He started planning. He started making a plotting, how to kill this small boy. He took decision, well, we all can go to the confluence of Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati. We all students, together with me, can go to Allahabad, Triveni Sangam, Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati. Can go. I took decision. They thought, well, when we need to go through the forest, daytime, okay, then we can throw this small boy to tiger, lion, many ferocious elements there, jackals there. So they took this in a group with all stick, everything they are running. And the small boy who, Lakshman Desik also proceeding, they took decision when they are Vindhyachal. You heard the name of Vindhyachal. Vindhyachal Parvat, North India, South India, middle. I went there, Vindhyachal. There what happens? There is forest. So all in group going. Then Govindo is, the maternal nephew. He giving information. He's going to kill you. Fly from here. Go up. Lakshman Desik was given information that they are planning to kill you. Then Govinda going, Jadavaja, hey, why you are late? I am running, actually, I was searching for, Lakshman Desik, but I could not find him. I thought he is running fast. But no, he is not coming. Jadavaja, no, my mission is successful. He must have, some tiger or lion must have, eaten up. Very good. Oh, nice going on. In the meantime, Lakshman Desik started running through forest and forest. No idea about direction, small boy. North, east, west, south, no. Running like. Finally, he was very tired. very hungry, but anyway, he is Ramanujacharya, not ordinary man like you and me. So he could see one couple, hunter, hunter couple, very dirty clothes, dirty looking, with bow and arrow, running. Lakshman is so thought, I am a small boy, maybe I can follow them. They are going somewhere. After following, when there was almost evening time, that couple took decision to take rest under a big banyan tree. And it was almost evening. But the wife of that hunter was very thirsty. Then what to do? Then Lakshman Deshi, the small boy, saying, Mother, I can bring water for you. Okay, you can bring. But the hunter speaking, no, I cannot allow you. Now evening time, everywhere all tiger and elephant, can be there. Morning time, early in the morning you can go. And they are taking rest. Under a tree, in the very early in the morning, Lakshman is going to search out one pond, and from there is no pot. There is no pot. Then Lakshman his body is very high, roll, big finger, taking water from one pond and going to give to the mother, drink water. 3 times over, 4 times after given, 3 times over, 4 times gone, after when not there. Where gone? Where gone? That couple vanished. Where gone? After that, he is hearing some shouting all around. So much people were from coming. They find that I am at the bank of Ananta Sarovar. It is Kanjipuram. Kanjipuram, how I come back in Kanjipuram? You see the arrangement of Bhagavan. Bhagavan take him and come at the bank of Kanjipuram. This way, he was successful to protect his body for us. Guru Vaishnava not living for himself. They are living for others. Their life is for others. They are giving one drop of water, everything. Blood. But still people misunderstand them. This way, when Jadavacharya came back and discovered him, he expressing some kapat bhav. Oh, I was very anxious about you. I thought you can read again. He said, okay, I can read. He wanted to kill, but couldn't kill. So the maternal uncle who gave the name, his name is Soilapurno. And another man, now I like to discuss about him, is Kanchipurno. His name is Kanchipurno. He is very poor. Not only poor, but also he was from a very low family. Very low family. But a great devotee. He's a great devotee of Jamunacharya. So, Lakshman Desik, when he was very small, he used to go through that their doorway, their road going to Kanjipuram. Every day going to take darshan of Bharadraj. Then every day, the small boy used to pay pranam to that man, whose name is Kanchipurno. One day invite, oh well, you can take prasadam in our house. You can take prasadam in our house. The man saw a small boy, very devotional mood. Okay, I can take prasadam. After that, Mother Vedavati cooking nicely. After that, serving. And that time, what happens? After prasadam is over, he arranged his, he should take rest, little bit, mat and everything. Kanchipurno, a little bit going to take rest. And Ramanujaja wanted to massage the leg. He said, no, he cannot touch me. He cannot touch me. I am from a very low family. low caste. You are high class Brahman. I cannot help. The small boy started crying and speaking. How you can speak this way? Vaishnava is never Muslim. Vaishnava is never low caste. Vaishnava is never Chandal. Vaishnava is Vaishnava. How you speak? He given the example of Tiruppan Alvar. He was from a Chandal family. He was from a Chandal family. The family tradition, they used to burn the dead body in the crematorium ground. How he was a great Vaishnava. How Bhagavan took seva from them. How those Dvaita Panda, at the time of this interval, I mean when Bhagavan up to Rajatra, from Sranjatra, they are serving. They are beating Bhagavan, embracing, giving clothes, eating. So how it is the arrangement of Bhagavan. We have no power, we have no power, we have no right to pass any judgment. We have no power, no right to pass any judgment. Why Jagannath taking? Like the case of Pundarik Vidyanidhi, only wanted to express, he wanted to express a mood inside. How possible? Jagannath is given cloth without washing. What is this? It's very bad. Only this thing. Night time, Jagannath and Balaram came in his dream and started beating. Balaram beating from left side, Jagannath from right side. Part, part. Fingerprint was there in the cheeks, on the cheeks. Morning time he cannot come out outside, like Corona period. He's going to cover up, coming out. What happens? Is there any job? No, no, actually there is some bed, right? He said, what to speak? This is the condition. Krishna Balaram came and beat me. So we have no right to pass any remark about what Jagannath taking it, why Jagannath accepting it, we have no right. Even at the time of Ratha Yatra, all those very low caste, they are going to offer coconut, banana in the Rath. Oh, Jagannath taking everything. Now no restriction. So this way, he is crying and speaking, Prabhu, how you are speaking this way? Is a scriptural advice that Vaishnavas cannot be counted as Chandal or Muslim. Vaishnava, Salbeg was great Vaishnava. Salbeg, the Muslim, he was bound to come. Jagannath was bound to come as Patit Pavan. Then how you speak? This way we cannot say he is from foreign countries, so fallen. We cannot speak. This is offensive. We cannot speak this way. But they should, at the same time, they should learn all etiquette also. I am not going to make any compromise with that you can live it. Somebody wrote one letter. Today I like to add something there. I told for Bhagavan, if you do absolutely, there is no fault. That doesn't mean you can think, Sam Baba giving me license, I can do whatever I like. Not that. There I like to add something, that later also, small part, today after Harikatha. Because they can misunderstand, this is Baba giving me. It is written in Shastra. For Bhagavan, we can do. For Bhagavan, we can do any things. Apparently, it seems very illegal activities, but it is not. For Bhagavan, it is all. Bhagavan himself told, Man nimitvam kitvam papam dharmaya kalpate. This way, Ramanuja started crying to his friend that they gone. Later, I like to cut short because it will take months. If I go on, it will take months. So, cannot. So, one day he is requesting with folded hand, could you please give Diksha to me? Could you please give Diksha to me? I like to get. Actually, I am from very low caste. I am not allowed to give Diksha to you. Then you guide me, whom I can accept as Guru. After that, he giving indication, well, I am waiting for the order of Bharadraj. Oh, I get Mahapurno. Mahapurno is the personality, divine personality, great divine personality from whom you can take Diksha. Really? Then take me there. Mahapurno going, you give me Diksha. I like to save my life like Mahaprabhu, crying in front of Ishwar Puripad. I like to offer my body and mind, everything unto a lotus. You save me from this ocean of material ocean. Same like Jesus going, took Diksha. From then onward, by the request of Lakshman Deshik, he started staying there, in the same village. There was one common well means water well. Every day, all Matajis in Brajadham, if you go all Matajis, there are no water source they can do. Sweet well, or sweet water. Then one day, by the by, I like to say, Ramanujacharya was forced to accept wife, marry. His wife was Hemamba, who was busy with karma jaros marto. She was a steep personality. Steep, Steep, hard. She was a very steep personality, hard. Busy with karma kanda, everything. One day, she went there, and the wife of Gurudev, Guruma, she went together. By chance, while pulling the rope, one drop of water from the top of Gurudev, pitcher, gone there. Then she started speaking all rubbish. You, how dare you? You are from a low caste, We are high class Brahmin. How? Started speaking all rubbish. Then the Guruma, the wife of Gurudev, crying and taking the water and coming back and begging for apology to Hemamba. After coming, she wanted to explain all the things happened. She wanted to explain in front of Mahapurno. Mahapurno, well, I cannot reserve even a single such scope which can happen in future. Follow. I cannot reserve the opportunity. Okay, let us go. Let us go away. Let us go away immediately from here to save them. Because they can commit offense, go to hell. So, he gone away. When Lakshman Desi got information, Hare, Gurudev gone? Why? Gurudev, why gone? Without informing me. He took information. After that came to know, oh my God, this is the condition. Oh! He took decision, well, I can get free of this idiot wife. I can get rid of this idiot wife. Okay, I can make a nice plan. One beggar one day coming and begging for chapati from their house, give me some bhiksha. Hey, go away. Go away. From the veranda, he liked to kick him out. She liked to, he can't give. And nearby there was Ramanujaji was sitting under a tree. He is crying. Ramanujaji, what happens? Well, I went there in this house to beg something, she like to kick. Kick you? Well, you see, come here. Now you can, no, I cannot. Hear me, what a plan I am speaking to you. You can go and speak, I am coming from your father's house. For the to take you from here to your father's house because your brother marriage ceremony there. But then she can beat me. No, she cannot beat you. Go. Actually, I came from the house of your father. Father? Oh, come, sit. And there was a big ceremony. I am in the marriage ceremony. So I like to take you. Oh, really? He didn't speak me before? He didn't speak me before? You don't allow me that kind of scope, how I can speak. Well, you come inside, nice kuri, kachuri, and dosa, all nice. Nice now. And Ramanujacharya already told that beggar, you can speak Mataji, that it is a long festival, na? So you can take all your clothes and ornaments, everything. You have to decorate your body, na? Eh? Right? You can take. Yes, sure. I can take all ornaments and clothes and gone through the forest. Ramanujacharya took decision, going to the house and mandir of Bharadraj and going to offer himself and speaking, Prabhu, from today onward, I am only you. From today onward, I am only you. Who is my wife? Who is my father, mother? He took decision. And took sannyas at the bank of Ananta Sarovar. Took sannyas at the bank of Ananta Sarovar by keeping the picture of whom? That, Jamunacharya. He took the picture of Jamunacharya, remember Jamunacharya, and took it. But before that, I was supposed to speak so many things. I can up and down discuss, and please excuse me. First of all, Mahapurno suggested him, up and down little bit, you can understand. First of all, before taking one incident. Mahapurno, he is also disciple Jamunacharya. Follow. Long before, one day Jamunacharya came from his place and he saw Ramanujacharya, the Lakshman Desi. By watching him, he could understand very easily. Well, I am searching for one representative. I am also searching one representative who can stay after my demise. I am also searching. Who is there? I cannot find any suitable personality. Any one of them can become suitable person. So, Jamunacharya saw him, immediately could understand, well, I was searching for him. He is the right personality who can represent me in future, but I cannot apply force on him. So what to do? He wrote one stotra about Bharadraj. He told Purna, to recite that stotra in mandir while that Lakshman Desi coming to take darshan of Bhagavan and pay, in the meantime don't speak anything, go on reciting this sloka. After hearing, Lakshman Desi is coming. Who wrote it? Who wrote it? Who wrote it? Who wrote it? You give me. It's Jamunacharya. Jamunacharya, who is there? I like to take Diksha from him. First of all. Diksha from him? Yes. Now you come with me. In the midway, when going, got information that Jamunacharya already left body. Purnacharya. They are heart breaking like mad. Same thing happened with our Srinivasacharya. He wanted to meet with Prabhu. Then after that, Gadadhar Pandit finally, in the way, got information, Sarup Gosai vanished, everybody got vanished. Aprakat Lila. After that, he running and reaching the place where the aprakita body of Jamunacharya lying. But watching three finger close. Three finger close. Right hand side, three finger close. Three finger close, why? I don't know. Jamunacharya, gone from this world, topmost Acharya. Lakshman Desi crying and paying pranam, and when getting up, three fingers closed. Lakshman Desi could realize some special three desires not fulfilled in the life of this Acharya. What all are these three target? We always speaking, na? Sri Chaitanya Mano Bhishtam. We are speaking. What do you say? Gurudev? We say, na? Any Gurudev we are speaking. But all Gurudev going to search out the interest of Gauranga. Eh? But they are speaking this way. They are speaking, na? Sri Chaitanya Mano Bhishtam Sthapitam Jena Bhutale. Who is going to, they are all foolish, like speaking this. Om Naho Bhavadannayo. Eh? Krishna Prem Pradaya, we can speak from Mahaprabhu. And all our Acharya, Gaura Prasthaya Bhutale. Everybody is speaking. But he is demon. But everybody is speaking. Gaura Prasthaya Bhutale. Simate, this, that. But who is going to establish? Only money, position, Kamini Kanchan. So, by divine intuition, by applying the divine intuition, that small boy, by that time not more small boy, long. Our Lakshman Desi could realize, by touching the lotus feet, speaking, well, I promise you, all the South Indian people, I can help them to realize and adopt all the Vedic culture, everything, Amnai, in Dravida Amnai. I can help them to enter into this in such a way so that they can purify, they can make a nice, pure flow of parampara. Right? First condition, when our Lakshman Desi taking commitment, resolution, I promise you, I can collect all the, scriptural documents and finally can compile and help them, all South Indian people, to adopt this high class Dravir Amnai. Then the first finger open. First finger open. After that speaking, the second, as per your desire, I promise, I can make one nice dictionary, all analytical meaning of each and every word which is found in Vishnu Puran, compiled by Parasar Acharya. I can make one nice, what Prabhupada wrote, na? What is the dictionary? Prabhupada wanted to write Gaudiya Dictionary. Then the second finger is open. Then the third finger closed. I promise you, I can collect all our previous Acharyas' commentary or what they wanted to say on Vedanta. I can try to compile a nice Vedanta commentary to destroy Mayavad. Third commentary. Then the third finger open. Third finger open. Everybody started shouting. And they could realize he is the only personality who can represent Jamunacharya. Yes. Jamunacharya gone. He wanted to take Diksha from Jamunacharya. Later on, that all incident happened. Follow. After that, he took decision to take sannyas, keeping the photo of Jamunacharya at the bank of Ananta Sarovar, took sannyas and took resolution, my life is completely dedicated, Bharadraj, for you. Be sure, I promise you. Sannyas is nothing but commitment. Try to hear. Try to open your ear plug and try to hear. Sannyas is nothing but one kind of commitment. Before taking this kind of commitment, to dedicate your life unto the lotus feet of Bhagavan, try to think crores of time, not thousands of times. If you make a mistake, you can get punishment for infinity period. Be careful. Those who are entering into Grihastha life, I have no objection. I love them. But their Grihastha life should be dedicated for Bhagavan, not for sense gratification. Marriage is nothing but one social contact. Marriage is nothing but a social contact. Nothing else. So, those who are going to enter into Grihastha life, no problem. Bhaktivinoda Thakur told, those who are Grihastha, entering to Grihastha life, their controlled life itself, topmost Vairagya, topmost Brahmacharya. Bhaktivinoda Thakur wrote. So, I never hate anybody. I love everybody. I know the inner meaning. So this way, Ramanujacharya took sannyas, and before that, another incident I was supposed to speak, up and down, please excuse me. After visiting Jamunacharya, Mahapurana told that you have taken Diksha, everything, but if you like to know the mystery, you have taken Diksha, I know, from me, but if you like to know the secret mystery of that mantra, which is kept secretly with one nice devotee, Goshtapurno, whose name is Goshtapurno. He is living long away. That village name is Gostogram village. If you go, I think he cannot give you. He like to test you. All the secrecy of that mantra, beautiful. If you like to get it, mantra rahasya, you go and catch his lotus feet. I think he cannot give. He is not ready to give, but still you can catch. He is going and falling down the lotus feet, you give me kippa. What kippa you want? I want to get all the secrets, mantra rahasya given by Jamunacharya, your Gurudev. Hey, go, don't come here. Again coming. Oh, no time, go. This way, he was rejected 18 times. Now today, if you pay 5 rupees or 1 rupees, you can get Gopi Bhav in Narakunda, not Radhakunda. If you pay 5 rupees, or even not that, you can get. Follow. Bhajan parampara, Sakhi parampara, Manjari parampara. Immediately overnight you can become Gopi and start dancing nicely. This is condition. So, he was rejected 18 times. 18 times. Finally, so much patience, so much. Someday he can express a mercy to me. Catching the Lord, crying. Well, come. You like to get? He took Diksha from my godbrother. Yes. I can give, but condition. One condition. Don't try to speak it anybody. Well, after that, going to get all this mysterious mantra rahasya, secrecy, mantra rahasya, everything. After that, taking is coming back to Kanjivaram, and in front of 74 people, he started speaking in a big hall, going to speak that mantra he want to initiate, everybody. That mantra and mantra also everything, in front of 74 people, in a hall, speaking loudly and speaking this mantra. After getting this information, Goshtapurno was so angry, so angry. Goshtapurno was so angry. They wanted, you can go to hell, you can go to hell, you can go to hell. You ignored my instruction, what I gave you. You can go to hell. Then he is speaking, well, Prabhu, to save all those helpless jivas, to save all those helpless jivas, if I give initiation to them, if I go to hell, I am a very useless personality. What is my utility? What is my utility? What I can do with this body? If you send me to hell, I am ready to get, but at least those people can be saved. Then Goshtapurna could realize he is a great personality. He has no self-interest. He has no self-interest. Then after that, Guru, that mantra rasa Goshtapurna told, he could realize the highness is very small thing, greatness. Absolutely great personality Ramanujaji, he could realize. After that he arranged his own song. He arranged his own song to take Diksha from him. You understand? He arranged his own song to take Diksha from him. So much belief. After that, that idiot Jadavacharya, his mother also took Diksha from Jadavacharya. His mother took Diksha from Ramanujacharya. His nephew, maternal nephew Govindo also took Diksha from him. Even Jadavacharya also finally came, shaved head and took Jadavacharya also took Diksha from him. After that took sannyas also. This is the miracle. Miracle is called Ramanujacharya. After that, he wanted to concentrate his mind to fulfill the desire of Param Gurudev Jadavacharya. First of all, he wanted to collect all Dravid, Amnai, all such scriptural documents, to put all documents in front of public. If you run your life, if you like to lead your life this way, you can be taken into Vaikuntha Jagat. Now it's up to you. Very nice etiquette, everything. Ramanujacharya. After that, he started compiling dictionary, compilation of Shabdakosh of Vishnu Puran, all. Finally, he was thinking how to fulfill the third desire. It was very tough, because Bodhayan Bhashya, it was the last Bhashya written on Vedanta, but it is missing. Because those Shankaracharya, Mayavadis, they are aware about this thing. That if somehow Bodhayan Bhashya is disclosed in front of public, then nobody can accept Mayavad Bhashya. So, they wanted to abduct still that compilation of that commentary by Bodhayan Bhashya, previous sadhu. They wanted to keep it in a very secret place, not here in Himalayan hill, Saroda Pit. I went there many times I went to Himalaya, many times, by the desire of Gurudev, Bhaktivedanta, many times I went. And I saw the greatness of Himalaya, and I could realize how small I am in this infinity creation. So, people can say I have false ego, but those who are elevated personality, they can realize I have no false. Even a dog can kick me, but I cannot protest. But if somebody going to go against Guru Vaishnava, then surely I can bark like dog. Tumi to Thakur, tomar kukur boliyo jano. This is my resolution. So anyway, then Kuresh also took Diksha. Kuresh, Kurunath, his name is Kurunath. Kuresh is in their sampradaya. Kuresh came from Ram Angsa. From Ramchandra, Kuresh came. And Lakshman Deshik, Lakshman himself, he is a guru to preach Vaishnava Siddhanta. This way, Kurunath, his name is Kuresh, Ramanujacharya took Kuresh with him to reach that place, Saroda Pit, and after taking sannyas, it was the divine arrangement. His name was Ramanujacharya. When he took sannyas, automatically divine arrangement. He could realize Bhagavan speaking, your name is what? Ramanujacharya. Ramanujacharya now started towards Saroda Pit, Himalayan hill, day and night walking. Months after months, when to reach the spot, took rest day and night time. They requested them, we heard that Bodhan Basha is there with you in your custody. They said, no. No, we heard actually, Bodhan Basha there in your temple. No, no Bodhan Basha. Then the night time, Ramanujarya crying, what to do? Sarada Devi, she herself came, that Sarada is not Sarada. Sarada is one form of Durga. She came out from the Murti and taking that, Vaishya bundle and giving. Now you go. Then Ramanujacharya immediately in the night time started walking through a hilly plains. Kuresh and Namani started running so that they cannot catch. Finally, in the morning time, they find these two men. Sadhu was there in our Natta Mandir. No. But they find that Bodhan Vasa is missing. They expressed doubt because just previous day they inquired about that Bodhan Vasa. Very clear, they're stealing. Actually, they are not stealing. Sarada Devi coming and taking this and give to it. They are not stealing. They are running. Then from Sarada Pit, they engage very stout personality, 4 or 5, 3, 4. You can run and catch them and beat them and snatch away. That the man and a 3, 4 man, very stout figure. Because they are doing anything for money. They are giving money, they are running and running. After 1 month, almost after 1 month chasing, finally they get to catch him. And going to snatch away, they like to beat. Then when they took away that Bodhan Vasa, then Ramanujarya started crying heavily. Oh my God. Now I cannot fulfill the desire of my Jamuna Church. Then immediately Kuresh speaking, Gurudev, don't worry. Within this 1 month, day and night when you are taking rest, I am memorizing everything. Dot, full stop, everything. Semicolon, I remember everything. Don't worry, I can write. Really so? Yes. I memorize everything. Whole Bodhan, how possible? A man cannot memorize one slok. If I ask what I speak, 5 minutes before what slok I memorize, I forget. Don't worry. Then Kuresh started writing everything. Ramanujarya was very happy. So happy. Oh, nice. Finally, the name and fame of Ramanujarya spreading everywhere like the sunlight. Who can bear the reputation of Guru Vaishnava? So, Chol Raj took decision to bring Ramanujarya and kill him here. This way. Then they are going to send messenger. You go and catch Ramanujarya and bring to me. By chance Ramanujarya was busy with some other seva. Kuresh was outside. Then they coming, hey, this is the place of Ramanujarya. Yes. Cholraj like to take him there. Kuresh speaking, well, I am Ramanujarya. What happens? I am Ramanujarya. What happens? You are, then come, catch him and bring in front of Cholraj. And speaking, well, you will have to change your dharma. You cannot follow bhakti dharma. You will have to accept Saiva, Sivda, Saiva, you will have to become. Because we believe Shankar is the topmost. They say it cannot so happen. Because it is impossible. So, so they started speaking, we can convert you. We like to convert your belief. You have some belief, na? Belief, we like to convert. Yeah, we can make you Saiva. Curious, in the guise of Ramanujajya. Say, no, it's not possible. Then we can kill you. Okay, you can kill me. Then they like to, wanted to eradicate the eyes of Ramanujajya with nail into pick of two eyeball. Then Ramanujajya became blind, all blood coming out, and he was thrown outside. Go! By the help of a beggar, finally he was successful to reach Gurudev. And by watching Kuresh, Kurunath, Ramanuja started crying. Oh my God! Who make you? Gurudev, this is the condition. Well, this way. Ramanuja took him in front of Bharadraj. Prabhu, for your seva, he is developing this kind of condition. So now you think about your duty, Prabhu. Then immediately by the mercy of Ramanujacharya, he get back your eyes, spiritual eyes, divine eyes, by the help of which you can see everything. He developed divine eyes. Gurudev can give you divine eyes, provided you are 100% inclined. If not, go on expressing doubt and doubt and doubt and whole life. You cannot do anything. So this way, Kurunath, Kuresh, to save Gurudev, he was ready to give his own life. But we, to save our Gurudev, not going to give anything. This is the difference between Kuresh and I myself. They can attack me, so I cannot speak about their absolute truth. Nobody can give me pranami. That's why I cannot speak the absolute truth. There is the decision. There is the condition. So finally, Kuresh got back his divine eyes. He was successful, and Srila Ramanujacharya was successful to compile Sri Bhashya. What? Vedanta Bhashya, Sri Bhashya. He was compiled. Now I like to touch some point about his Siddhanta, because from different angle I need to discuss. His Siddhanta Vichar, on the basis of which he wrote Vedanta Bhashya, is called Vishishtadvaitavad. Vishishtadvaitavad. Means very special Advaitavad. Vishishta Advaitavad. What do you mean to say? He wanted to pick up 3 points. One is, try to understand, concentrate. He wanted to pick up 3 things from Shastra. One is Chit, one is Achit, and Brahma. Follow. To compile his whole Vedanta, he wanted to take 3 points. One is Chit. Chit means transcendental. Achit and Brahma. What do you mean by Chit? Chit means all Chit particle, all the Jivatma. Inside your body, what they are inside your body, all Chidatma. You wanted to accept. Achit mean, what do you mean Achit? Achit means all material world. Even in the space, star, planets, everything. All Achit. Matter. All your body matter, your mind matter. Intellect, all matter. How you can proceed towards the Supreme Lord? This way, he wanted to explain Vishishtadvaitavad. First of all, I like to touch this point. Chit mean, he wanted to mean all Jivatma, countless Jivatma. When countless Jivatma are going to enter into the body of matter, the material body, the woman can think, I am woman. A man can say, I am man. All matter. Only the Baba. Wrong conception. This way, when matter entering you, then activated all planets and all star and planets and plants and trees, everywhere, aquatic element in the space, all birds, everything, all matter. Only Atma entering. Nobody knows. Neither mutual game going on, mutual game. Follow, mutual game. Shiv or Shankar. I can explain Vedanta to or Laghu Bhagavan. Shiv and Shankar. It's called Gotap game. Gotap game, you know? Gotap game. But everybody busy with false ego. I am lion, I am tiger, I am monkey, I am woman, I am man. Go on. Go on playing. This is a nice stadium. This. Go on saying. Play. This way what happens? Finally, Chit means all jivas, Achit means all matters, starting from this earth, all infinite universe, wherever, whatever it is, all matter. And Brahma. Ramanujacharya wanted to say that jo Chit and Achit is there, we can find individual identity, but believe they are nothing but the body non-different from Brahma. That is why that in the form of matter, in the form of jiva, Brahma going to expand. It is no other than Brahma. Really? Yes. That is called Vishishta. Some speciality is there with jiva and matter, Achit, but be sure they are non-different from Brahma. The same thing, Madhvacharya want to, but little bit different. But finally, if you go analytically, you can find not three. Ramanujacharya also indirectly, directly going to touch 5 points. I told you, na? What I told? Ishwar, Kal, Karma, Jiva, Maya. Finally going to touch this. That is why the name is Visishta Advaitavad. Visishta Advaitavad. It is non-different. Ramanujacharya, Visishta Advaitavad means, Visishta means has some speciality. Though the body of all the body of Brahma extended in the form of matter and jiva is non-different but still different. That's why different but still non-different. That's why have some speciality about this monism. Follow. It's called Visishta Advaitavad. Ramanujacharya, his parampara, I wanted to say so many things, but time cannot permit, so many seva, and nobody like to do seva. I'm busy with all those small boys also, every day shouting. This way, I have no personal headache. If you leave me, I can go away, no. But all headache I am taking. What to do? Anyway, yatrottama sloka gunanuvadaha prastuyate gramma katha vigataha nishebhyamanam anudhinam mamukshur matim satim yachati vasudeve vanchakalpatarusike vasindhi patitanam pavane bhavishnabhyor. Jai Srila Ramanujacharya ji ki jai hai. Tapasva Srila Ramanujacharya ji. Gaur Premanandi.